Sina twe wontiminti ase. Yeah. Papa penimoti baby unhu ni baby ada wunhia ni baby ada timi fam no si okeka nkwase asem fa ne ho and all that kind of thing. Enye mwanwa sa mane 2 generation. Yeah. Papa no tie what is this? What is this? This is a different generation now without the conscience. Not their conscience is that they don't even have it. They don't even have it. That is the kind of as I finish my presentation, I will want to tell you, anybody going through betrayal, disloyalty, you loved people, you helped people, but they have repaid you with a lot of ungratefulness. Forgive them. Forgive them. Let it go. Let it go. When you one moment this one let it go. Manenko. Forgive them. Yeah, papa and umami and the police in Ibinano, they were forest and Bible because no buy you soon. I'm sorry, and I'll show uniform now. Why are you wearing uniform and crying? And he came with 4 children. 4 children. I'm so here or coin or sitting baby or I'm sorry parking in the amena. Now me so funny phone number, mammy, I'm in friend. This is also me mau. I'm sad day. That's all me make room a jano. Papa and the coffin if you crassy. Then the cool school, then the bank cry ha. Why ye nisha? Be a free Germany apa. Jesus. The police issue. Police issue 4 children. The guy is crying. Betrayal. Betrayal. Yeah. So for we are na ye nim no. Ko ye meeting with 9 penny for. They said the meeting was a heated meeting. We cannot we can. So for the buy or the before the kubra them. The yirik bisa na sem gra wan kasa. And a law keep, you know, some people they sleep in one room, their wife sleep in another room. He's one of those. October anymore. Adiache 10 on sorry. Normally on there 6 was sorry. Your bopper on Biomua. He booped and he was dead on his bed. Betrayal! Betrayal. But to me, so will be no.